Gandhi's message on humanity. Mahatma Gandhi, his original name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, is one among the greatest figures the world has seen. He is known for his actions and principles. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, a place in Gujarat. Gandhi had an opportunity to face the unequal treatment from the hands of the white, the so-called superior people. He was even thrown out of the train, though he had the first class ticket to travel in it, only because he is not white. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in 13th April 1919. It shook Mahatma Gandhi very much. It touched his heart very badly. He emphasized that the non-cooperation movement would be a non-violent movement. It will be conducted throughout India, but it should be through peaceful means of agitation. He started the non-violence in non-cooperative movement and asked the people to express the solidarity against the British rule in a place called Chowri Chowra in Uttar Pradesh, when the British policemen were burnt alive by the Indian agitators who went on the part of the non-cooperation movement. He felt sad, and Gandhi did not like this. He wanted the movement to go on as peaceful, non-violent movement. Since the movement turned into a violent manner, he stopped the non-violent movement. Later, Gandhi brought out his famous Quit India movement. Gandhi went to jail many times. Gandhiji accepted to participate in the second Round Table Conference. It was in this Round Table Conference Gandhiji was called as half-naked fakir by the British Prime Minister. He wanted to liberate Mother India. Every Indian, through either liberate India or die in the effort to liberate Mother India. Either do or die. It is called do or die battle. The great role is played by Mahatma Gandhi. That is why he is called Mahatma, a great soul, in order to recognize the service rendered by Mahatma in the freedom struggle. He is given the title, the Father of the Nation. Every year we celebrate his birthday with joy and glory as a token of respect and regards. There are a lot more things to learn from great Mahatma Gandhi. He is so simple and loving. He understands the feelings and sufferings of others. Once his shoes unknowingly fell down on a moving train. Seeing this, a boy came to pick it. Immediately, Gandhi removed his other shoe and threw to him. Another day, when he was traveling in a train, he saw a lady washing one part of her sari while taking bath in the river and drying the other part. This incident shook him and took a vow. From that day on, he removed his coat, suit and boots. He promised to wear only simple dress. Even to the UNO meeting, he went in his dhoti. He is a hard-working person. He is found in its chakra, weaving clothes. From his childhood itself, he doesn't like to tell lies or to cheat. Though his teacher motivated him to copy the dictation word kettle during the inspection, he refused gently. Still, many more incidents are there in his autobiography, My Experiments with Truth. Gandhiji loved his wife more, but he loved his countrymen. Gandhiji made a vow to his mother that he would not touch wine, women and meat while he was away in South Africa, and he sincerely adhered it. He did not break his promise made to his mother. Several times he was humiliated, beaten up. Still, he bore everything very patiently. He was at last shot dead by Nathuram Godse. His last words were, "Hey Ram."